I get comments on my skin enough that I think I should make this quick video on it, so let's get to it. So my skincare routine is very, very simple, actually. But there are a couple things that I think are the most important things. So I didn't always have perfect skin, not like I'm saying I do, but I don't have as many blemishes as I used to. And there was a few things that I changed to start clearing up my skin. But first of all, it is important to mention that as I aged, the more clear my skin became. So that's something always for me to keep in mind. But I think it really starts with hydration. I'm a little obsessed with that right now. So the more hydrated I am, the better my skin. Right off the bat, it has like a glow. And then as far as washing it, I use a gentle soap like a face scrub or organic soap of some sort. That's really where it starts, and I always try to take care of it in those most basic ways. And then other things, I don't like lean on my face. If your palm is touching your face, that's a big no, I guess, because the oils and dirts from your palm are more likely to clog your skin and pores than, say, if you are resting your hand on your face, you should be resting it on your knuckles. It's a good thing to do to keep your mind in the right place and to prevent like pushing dirt and oils into your skin. So lifestyle changes like that were the first things. That was a big one, the knuckles for me. And then as far as after the shower and everything, I have this stuff called Paula's Choice. And I got this recommendation from an online buddy of mine, Wayne Goss. He's a very smart dude and awesome YouTuber, very respected. And he recommended this. I think it's awesome. I got it for pore reducing, which it kind of does. It kind of more tightens up my pores because my nose tends to have larger pores. But I noticed that it actually more has like an evening out of my skin tone, so there's not like little red dots and stuff like that. I'll just show you. Like I just put on like a dime size, and I kind of just focus it. Pretty basic, nothing crazy. I don't rub it in like crazy, except for on my nose, make sure, because my pores are crazy there. And then after that, in the morning, I use Beard Brand beard oil because beard oil is really for like your skin. I mean, it's nice and stuff on your hair, but really it treats the skin. So if you didn't have a beard, then obviously you just treat your face in general. But yeah, don't lean on your face and stuff again. So beard oil, I have the pore thing. And then lastly, I just put on a little bit of moisturizer every single day. And when I put it on, I don't just smear it on. I push it into my face. So I just kind of go, and just kind of get it all over. And just make sure I get my ears too. A lot of people neglect their ears and throat. So I'm not rubbing it in. I make sure I get up to the hairline. And that's the routine. It's really easy. Now, a couple things about this I want to mention, because when I was younger, I was a little more insecure to feel confident in taking care of my skin, almost that it was like a feminine thing. But I had really bad acne when I was young, and at points it was like cystic acne, or at least right on the edge of it. And it was not fun at all, and it sucked. And there is nothing masculine about having bad skin. So any opinions that I had of a masculine or femininity to self-care completely went away, because when you struggle with bad skin, beauty care is a functional task to do. You want to take care of your skin. You want to have that life and elasticity in your skin for as long as possible. You want it to be healthy, and you want it to say preventing wrinkles is an okay thing to do. You want to keep that moisture in your face, you know, be healthy. Like, you work out and you can take care of your skin. Your skin is an organ, and to neglect that is just like neglecting any other organ. And in fact, it's one of your largest. So I really, really highly recommend giving some care. And as you can see, I don't give like a shitload of care to what I do. Like, I just make sure it's consistent. Every day I moisturize, and every day I take care of it in a conscientious way, as far as not touching it and stuff like that, and making sure that my face is clean. And, you know, one more thing, this is super important too, is, you know me, I'm super clean. One thing that also really changed everything for me was making sure my pillowcases were clean. So I have my pillowcases changed out twice a week, minimum 1 week, but I am always keeping my pillowcases clean, and that's a huge thing. That was another big thing that I did. If I remember any other tips, I will surely tell you about those. But for now, I just wanted to kind of go over this, and I hope it helps somebody, because I would have loved to hear this stuff when I was younger. Until next time, peace.